ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्री रामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्री तुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्री तुलसीदासाय नमः। Hari Om, a very warm welcome to another very interesting series. We saw how Lakshmanji was teasing Parashuramji. Jo biloka anuchita kahemu chamahu mahamuni dhira. Later he said, if anything improper I have spoken, unseemingly I have spoken, if any inappropriate words came out of my mouth, Chamahu Mahamunidira, please, 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 forgive me. Why did I say that? Looking at your weapons, I thought you are also a Kshatriya. Therefore I spoke. Suni Sarosha Bhruguvamsamani Bole Giragabhira. After hearing that, Parashuramji was extremely, fearful. in a very harsh and, in a very deep voice. See what he says in the 274th Chaupai. कौशिक सुनहु मंदयहु बालक कुटिल काल बस निज कुल घालकु भानु बंसरा केस कलंकु निपट निरंकुश अबुध असंकु काल कवलु होई छन माही कहूँ पुकारी खोरी मही नाही तुम हट कहूँ जाऊँ चाहूँ उबारा कही प्रताप बल रोषु हमारा लखन कहे मुनि सुजसु तुम्हारा तुम ही अछत को बर नहीं पारा अपने मुह तुम आपनि करनी बार अनेक भांति बहुबरनी नहीं संतोष तपुनि कछु कहूँ जनि रिस रोखी दुसह दुख सहूँ वीर व्रती तुम धीर अछोभा गारी देत न पावहु शोभा सूर समर करनी करही कही न जना वही आपू विद्यमान रन पाहि रिपु कायर कतहि प्रताप सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भय सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. Parashuram ji, he was burning inside, so furious. Kausika Sunahu. He turned his direction towards Vishwamitra ji. Kausika, O Vishwamitra, listen. Mandayahu Balaka. This Balaka, this boy, is so manda, he's so stupid, he's so perverse, he's perturbed. Kutila Kala Basa Nijakula Ghalaku. And he is so kutila, crooked. Kalabasa, he is in the grip of death. He is going to die in my hands. Nijakula Ghalaka, he is the one who brings destruction, ill fame to his kula, to his whole family. Bhanu Basara Kesu Kalanku. He is one like the dark spot in the moon. Similarly, he is a dark spot in the Raghukula, Bhanukula. Bhanukula means Surya Vamsha. Nipata Nirankasa Abuda Asanku. Nipata, he is very utterly unruly. Nirankusa, absolutely senseless. He has lost his sense, he has lost his buddhi. Abuda Asanku, very reckless way of approach. Kala Kavalu, ho ihi chana mahi. In the very next moment from now, I am going to take him and put him into the jaws of death. Kahau pukari khori mohinahi. Nobody can claim that I am wrong. Why? I have given even enough and more warnings, and therefore I cannot be blamed. Nobody can blame me. Tuma hata kahu jao chahau ubara. And now you don't dare to even save him. He is telling Vishwamitra ji, don't dare to save him. Kahi pratap balu roshu hamara. Instead of trying to save him, tell him about my might, my fury and my glory in warfare. Instead of protecting him, you tell him, educate him. Lakhana kahe muni sujasu tumhara. Lakshmana, I tell you, he is very wonderful. This small, during Deepavali, now Deepavali is approaching very soon. During Deepavali, there are the small, rows of small. It will burst tiny crackers. It is not very big or very high sound or something. But then it will make children enjoy it, isn't it? Like that, Lakshmana, Lakhana Kahemu, he could not, contain himself. In fact, actually, Lakshmana is not angry. Parashuramji is angry. Lakshmana is in a very amusing mood. He amuses himself, and interestingly, even some of the people are amused. Some of the people are with probably Parashuramji's side. They are also getting angry. He said, "Hey Muni, holy sage Rishi, Sujasu Tumara, as long as you are alive, Tumahi Achatako Baranay Para, you can go on describing about your glory only. Who else can talk about you? Tell me." Idea is, nobody talks about you, therefore you only can talk about yourself. Apane muhatuma apani karani. From your own lips, according apane mukha means mouth. And you are talking about your own glory through your own mouth. And in so many ways, Bhara, Aneka, Bhati, Bahubarani, so much I have told you, been telling only about yourself through your own mouth. Nahi santoshu na puni kachukaho. Nahi santoshu, in case you are not satisfied. Puni kachukaho. Okay, tell some more, I will also listen. Anyway, you have been telling all this while. Tell some more also. Janirasaro khudasahitasam mahasahahu. Don't suppress yourself. Whatever you want to tell, chalo. Don't suppress, don't restrain yourself. Tell everything, whatever you want. Bira pratitu madhira achoba. But, my dear sir, in case, now please note, Lakshmana is saying to Parashuramji, in case you think you are a hero, which you are claiming yourself, you are boasting yourself. In case you are thinking yourself as a hero, dhira achoba. Because the heroes they are very resolute. Resolute means what? They are very firm and they are unperturbable. Unperturbable means they cannot be disturbed. They are very firm, they are very strong. But the way you are talking about yourself, Gari detana pavahu subha. Now, it is unbecoming of you. In case you are all what you have told about yourself is truth, then it is unbecoming of you to go on telling abuses. Go on shouting, go on screaming. This doesn't look good for a hero. Now you are claiming yourself to be hero. When you are claiming yourself to be hero, in the battlefield nobody talks, only war happens, isn't it? Why are you it is unbecoming of you. You are a hero. Sura samar karani karahi kahina janavahi apu. Sura, heroes, they do valiant deeds. They fight the war. They don't do self-advertisements. You are doing self-advertisements. Vidyamanarana pairipu kayara kathahi pratapu. Once they see the enemy in front in the battlefield, only cowards. What a strong word. Only cowards go on boasting themselves. Instead of boasting, you should fight. Isn't it? So Lakshmana is actually kindling his ego. Parashurama's ego. Parashurama's self-respect. See? Tumatau kalu haka janulava बार बार मोहि लागी बोलावा सुनत लखन के बचन कठोरा परसु सुधारि धरे डकर घोरा अब जनि देई दोसु मोहि लोगु कटुबाधी बालकु बध जोगु बाल बिलो की बहुत मैं बाछा अब यहु मर निहार भासाछा कौशिक कहाँ क्षमीय अपराधु बाल दोष गुण गण ही न साधु खर कुठार मैं अकरुण कोही, आगे अपराधी गुरद्रोही, उतर देत छोड़ऊ बिनु मारे, केवल कौशिक सील तुम्हारे, नत एहि काटी कुठार कठोरे, गुरहि उरि न होते श्रम थोरे, गाधि सून कह हृदय हसी, मुनि हरियर सूझ, अयमय खांडन ऊखमय, अजहु न बूझ अबूझ, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। मुनि परशुराम जी, तुम तो कालु हाक जनु लावा। You know, Lakshmana, you seem to have death at beck and call. बार बार मोहि लागी बोलावा. You are unnecessarily again and again, provoking me. You are kindling me. You are making me more angry. सुनत लखन के बचन कठोरा, परसु सुधारि धरे डकर घोरा. Parashurama, when he heard this from Lakshmana, he held that axe. He strengthened his hold. Meaning what? He is ready to fight now. At any moment he will throw his axe out. Abajani deyi dosu mohi logu. Now, people should not blame me for what I am going to do. Katubadi balaku badhajogu. I am now going to cut him into pieces. This sharp-tongued boy. Bala bilo ki bahut mein bacha. I have spared him all along. Only because I thought he was a child. But he is not child. He is wild. Abaya humara nihar bhav sacha. Now, he is surely going to die. I am going to kill him. Kausika kaha chamiya aparadhu. The moment he saw, Vishwamitraji saw that Parashuramji is now in the, at the threshold of killing Lakshmana. So he said, "Hey Rishi, pardon his offense. Bala dosha guna ganahina sadhu." Sadhu, Santa Purushas cannot get wild on the small, doshas of children. How can you become so angry? Khara kuthara mein akaruna koi. This sharp-edged axe, kuthara, is akaruna kohi. It is very, very compassionless. It is pitiless. Age aparadhi gurudrohi. And he is standing in front of me as an enemy, as an offender. He is a gurudrohi. Utaradeta chodavu. Even though he is reacting, he is replying me, I am still sparing. Why? Kevala kausika sila tumare. Only solely because of my regard for you, Vishwamitra, he is still alive. Nata ehi kathi kuthara kathore, gurahi uri na ho tevu shramathore. If you were not there, I would have cut him asunder into several pieces with this cruel axe. And I would have repaid the debt of my Guru by doing this act of slaying him for all his improper words. Gadhi sunu kah hridaya hasi. Vishwamitraji said, but quietly smiling within. He did not smile outside because that will again enrage Parashuramji. Therefore, smiling within, he thought, Muni Hari Arai Suja. You know, when you are angry, everything is blocked. Your sense is blocked. I often quote that Gita shloka. Dhyayato vishayan pumsaha sangasteshu bajayate. Sangat sanjayate kamaha. Kamat krodho bijayate. Krodhat bhavati sammohaha. Sammohat smriti vibhramaha. Smriti bhramshat buddhinashaha. Buddhinashat pranashyati. Now see, Kama desire, here what is a desire here? Desire is to establish his supremacy, Parashuramji. When it is not being happening, Krodha. Krodhat bhavati sammohaha. Please remember this always. Krodha will only bring dissolution because Krodha covers intelligence. Krodha covers buddhi. Krodha covers common sense. Krodhat bhavati sammoha. Sammohat smriti vibhramaha. All that what I have achieved is forgotten for the sake of one particular act. Think. Sammohat smriti vibhramaha. Smriti bhramshat buddhinashaha. Buddhinashat pranashyati. So what is the result of Krodha? Pranashyati. Think. Therefore, Krodha is very, very important to be handled well. Now if Vishwamitraji also smiles, you can't stop Parashuraman. Parashuramji with his tapashakti and valor is very powerful. Ayamaya khandana ukhamaya ajahuna bhuja abhuja. He thinks, he says, you know, the steel sword is not like sugar cane made sword. It is not like sugar. And then sugar extracted sword is different. It will just, if you put in that, this one, it will disappear. But this is steel sword. Lakshmana did not give any chance to Vishwamitra to say anything until now. He is responding, quick answer he is giving. And he is bent upon teasing Parashurama. So what happens when you go on teasing, the anger, the ego is, provoked. The ego is kindled. Anger, what happens naturally? You will be red-faced. And at that time you can't think. And during that period when you are red-faced, the only quality and texture of thoughts that we entertain will be to oppress or eliminate the opponent. Parashuramji is in that particular stage. See what Tulsidasi writes in the next chaupai. Kahevu lakhan muni silu tumhara, ko nahi jaan vidita samsara. माता पिता ही उरी न भयनी के, गुररिनु सहा सोचु बड़ जी के, सो जनु हमरे ही माथे काढ़ा, दिन चली गए ब्याज बड़ बाढ़ा, अब आनिय व्यवहरिया बोली, तुरत देवु मैं थैली खोली, सुनी कटु बचन कुठार सुधारा, हाय हाय सब सभा पुकारा, भृगुबर परसु देखा वही मोही, विप्र बिचारी बचऊ नृपद्रोही, मिले न कबहु सुभटरन गाढ़े, द्विज देवता घर ही के बाढ़े, अनुचित कहीं सब लोग पुकारे, रघुपति शयन ही लखनु निवारे, लखन उतर आहुति सरिस, भृगुबर को पुकृसानु, बढ़त देखि जल सम बचन, बोले रघुकुल भानु सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। कहे वो लखन मुनि सीलु तुम्हारा, को नहीं जान विदित संसारा। Lakshman ji again, he started. Hey Muni, seal tumara, your prowess, your glory, your, in a very sarcastic way, he says, your gentle disposition. Ko nahi jana vidita samsara. In this world, in the samsara, ko nahi janata. Who does not know? Who is not aware? Everybody knows. Mata pita hi urina bhaini ke. You have actually, fully paid your debt to your parents through your disposition. Gurari nuraha sochu badaji ke. Now the only debt you have, as you claimed, only debt you have is to your guru by vexing your mind. So janu hamare hi mathe kadha. It appears as though you have incurred more debt now in your account. By becoming more and more angry, you are gaining more and more debt to your guru. Dina chali gaye byaj bada bada. And dina chali gaye. A lot of considerable time has already passed. Byaja bada bada. Lot of time has passed and lot of interest also has got accumulated to that account of debt. Ab aniya vyavahari aboli. Now you get the credit here. Now see, you can show your anger on me and take the credit. Turata devu main thaili kholi. I will immediately pay you. I will pay you all that with interest. I will pay you from my own thaili, from my own purse. Suni kathu bachana kuthara sudhara. When he heard that, again Parashurama was, trying to, get ready more and more, holding an axe more and more, firmly and tightly. And people who are looking, Haya, Haya, Sabu, Sabha, Pukara. Oh, alas, alas, why is he doing that? Bhrugu bara parasu dekhava humohi. Lakshmanji immediately says, you are still threatening me with your axe? Vipra bichara bacha unrupaturohi. I am sparing you because you are a Brahmana. Vipra bichara. Now Lakshmana is becoming a little, impatient, we may say. Now that teasing mood is slowly going away, and Lakshmana is also becoming a little angry. He started showing his anger because Vipra bichari, thinking you that you are a Brahmana, bacha unrupatrohi. I am sparing you. An enemy of princes means enemy of Kshatriyas. Mile nakabahu subhatan runagadhe. Hey, Parashuramji, it appears as though you have not met an appropriate person who can fight you. A capable person, a champion you have never met. Dvija devata gharahi na badhe. You have grown, in such a way, thinking only about your importance. O holy Brahmana, you have not seen a Kshatriya in his fullness. Anuchita kahi sabaloga pukare. People are also feeling, they are sensing what? This conversation between Lakshmana and Parashuramji is getting more and more furious. And now we don't know what will happen. This particular situation is definitely undesirable. Lakshmana should not be replying like that. At that time, Raghupati sayanahi lakhanu nivare. When Ramchandraji saw people are also getting restless, impatient, they are also worried. Why? What if there is a war that starts in that particular stadium between Parashuramji and Lakshmana? When Ramchandraji saw, immediately he turned towards Lakshmana and said, Raghupati sayanahi. The moment he showed his anger look, Lakshmana quietly stopped. He understood that he has stepped the limit. So he quietly stopped. Lakhana utara ahuti sarisa bhrugubara kopu sukrisanu. Now, Lakshmana, he also in a manner of saying, perceives. He's a brilliant boy, you see. So he is perceiving that his words are as though pouring oil in the oblations, in the fire. Lakhana utara huti sarisa bhrugubara kopus krisanu. Now Ramchandraji, he first looked at him, he went and he became quiet. Lakshmana became quiet. Then Ramchandraji, he is perceiving, he's seeing, he's getting the pulse, as we say, of what? Of Parashuramji's kopa, the fire of anger, and Lakshmana's words being the oblation in that fire. Lakhana utara ahuti sarisa bhrugubara kopu krisanu. Ramchandraji now sees that in the fire of anger of Parashuramji, Lakshmana's words were also as though like the oblations poured, like the oil poured in fire. Badatha deki chala samabachana. And the words are growing. Lakshmana is unable to resist himself. Therefore he had shown his eye and Lakshmana became quiet. Bole Raghukula Bhanu. Now Ramchandra spoke these words like water. Not like the oil poured in the fire. He spoke like the cool water. What he spoke, how did he bring them down? Because it's going on and on and on. What he spoke, we will see in the 277th Chaupai. Natha karahu balaka parachohu sudha dudha mukha kariyan kohu jau pe prabhu prabhav kachu jana tau ki barabari karata ayana jau larika kachu achagari karahi गुरपितु मातु मोद मन बरही करिय कृपा शिशु सेवक जानी तुम समशील धीर मुनि ज्ञानी राम बचन सुनि कछुक जुडाने कहीं कछुलकनु बहुरी मुसुकाने हसत देखी नख शिखरी व्यापी राम तोर भ्राता बड़ पापी गौर शरीर श्याम मन माही कालकूट मुख पय मुख नाही सहज टेढ़ अनुहरई न तोही नीचु मीचु सम देखन मोही लखनु कहिउ हसी सुनहु मुनि क्रोधु पाप कर मूल जेहि बस जन अनुचित करही चरहि बेस्व प्रतिकूल सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भय सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। नाथ करहु बालक पर छोहु। हे नाथ, रामचंद्र जी स्पीक्स टू परशुराम जी, हे नाथ करहु बालक पर छोहु, Chohu is a very beautiful word. I think once I have mentioned earlier also. You will also find this word again in several places in Ramayana. Chohu is that love which a father has towards his infant child, son. That beautiful love which the father has towards his son who is a small child. You should, consider Lakshmana as your child, small child, as your son, and please forgive him. Sudha dudha mukha kariyana kohu. Please don't show the anger on this child. He is like, he is asked, of course, it is only a manner of saying. He is not that. One should not think wrongly. Ramchandraji says, Lakshmana is so young, like as though his lips has got still the milk in his mouth. It has got still milk. Such a small boy he is. So you should not show your anger. Jau pai prabhu prabhavu kachu jana. In case, if only he had known about your might, your power, your valor, your glory. Tau ki barabari karata ayana. Why will he come and confront you in front of you? He doesn't know. He's still a child. He's still a small boy. Boys are like that. They are still young. They are not matured, you see. Young boys are not matured. So they will act according to that particular framework of mind. So you should not take it so seriously. Jaulari kachu achagari karahi. If children, larika, do some pranks, some play. At home, so many, especially when small children are there, when they do something, do you go and beat them out of fury and out of anger and dhamad? We won't do. Matured people won't do. Exceptions sustained. Some people do, unfortunately. But matured people will not behave that way. They have a different way of behaving. They have different way of handling. They have different way of dealing with that child. That is maturity, isn't it? Ramchandraji says, if children pay pranks, Gura pitu matu modamana barahi. There are two ways of handling it. Gura, teacher, pitu matu, father and mother, they modamana barahi. They are delighted. Even the child is playing a prank. Elders delight out of it. How many videos we see, isn't it? How many times we have seen in our own houses. Kariya kripa sisu seva kajani. Therefore, Kariya kripa, please, take pity in him. Show compassion to him. Knowing him to be a child. And sevaka jani. He is your sevaka. Please consider him as your sevaka. Tuma samasila dhira muni jnani. And what about you? You are dhira purusha. You are a muni jnani. Sila purusha. You are such a great matured person. You are a very educated person. A very learned person. Wise person. You know so much. Rama bachana suni kachuka judhaye. After listening to Ramchandraji's words, then Parashurama cooled down. Kahi kachu lakhanu bahuri musukane. But Lakshmana, that force has not yet calmed down. He whispered to himself and started smiling again. That very, very naughty smile, we may say. He was giving such a smile. Kahi kachu lakhanu bahuri musukane. That naughty smile. Immediately again Parashurama shot up. Hasa dekhina kasika risivyapi. He became fully again furious from top to toe. Nakasika from toe to top. Okay. Whatever. That means he was very angry. Rama tora bhrata bada papi. And said, Rama, your brother is a wicked person. Gaura Sharira Shama Manamahi. Though he is fair, he is very dark at his heart. Very, very wicked, very naughty, very foolish. Kalakota mukha paya mukha nahi. You said he had milk in his lips. No, no, no. Kalakota mukha. He has got poison in his lips and sharp tongue. And therefore, don't tell me that he has got a mouth with milk in his lips. Sahaja tedha anuharahi naktohi. Sahaja tedha. Meaning what? By nature he is perverse. And he is so different from you. Completely different. You are such a, well-matured person, and your brother is very perverse, very wicked. Neecha meecha samadekha mohi. He does not even regard me properly, and he is not able to understand that I am now waiting to kill him, to bring death to him. He is unable to understand. Lakhana kahe muha sisunahu muni. Then Lakshmana also probably felt, chalo, how long will this go on? Rama Sita Vivaha has to take place. That is very important. At this stage, to indulge into such egoistic, words is not appropriate. So he said, Sunahu Muni, please listen. Krodhu papakara mula. Anger is the root of papa, sin. Jehibasa jana anuchita karahi. Whatever, if I had made, some improper words, or if I have created anger in you, charahi bisva pratikula. Now Lakshman thought, what is the use of continuing? It is going on and on and on. At some point it has to end. Because the most important activity is Sitaji and Ramchandraji's Vivaha. Now that is more important. Because only kindling each other's ego will lead nowhere. So Lakshman thought, okay, we will put an end to this conversation. Lakhana kahe muha sisunahu muni. Lakshmana, smilingly, not naughty smile, now very, very important. Here the smile is with, lot of love, lot of devotion, we may say. So smilingly he said, Hey Munivarya, Krodha papakara mula. Anger is the root cause of sin. All our activities which are incorrect, most of them, if not all of them, comes out of anger. And anger will definitely bring destruction. Jehibasa jana anuchita karahi. Swayed by this anger, whatever we may say, charahi bisva pratikula. It will only lead us to anti-social activities. Meaning what? Will lead us to improper activities. Therefore, please calm down, is what Lakshmanji himself tells Parashuramji. Then Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji speaks. We will see what he speaks tomorrow. Alright. Siyavar Ramachandra ki jai, Pavan Sutta Hanuman ki jai, Umapati Mahadev ki jai, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।